Well, I'm out at the airport and I'm working on this, see if I can get that in the picture, the left wingtip, fiberglass wingtip. But the reason I wanted to take a shot today is if you look outside the hangar, so I can swing around there, you will see, let's see if I can zoom in here, old military trucks. Because this weekend is the air show. So I don't know how it gets much better than this, really. I mean, I got my hangar, I'm working on the airplane, and you know, this weekend I got an air show right out my door. So it doesn't really get much better than that. You have a little